Talofa lava, welcome to my Sina Treasures of Samoa. My name is Moana. Today for our book review, we are going to review Sina and the Tuna. So this is a legend widely told throughout Samoa. Because it is a legend, there are different versions that are told by different people. And so this is the version retold and illustrated by Helen Filisi. So yes, to begin with, this is an important story for all of our generations to hear because it tells the story of how we got the coconut. The coconut is one of the most important resources that we have in the Pacific Islands. It gives us shelter, it gives us food, it gives us drink, it gives us so many different resources from the one plant. So having a legend that tells our story of how it came to Samoa is very important. And so I just wanted to point out that the illustrations, while a little bit small and you can't really see from here, are actually very, very beautiful. They're all hand drawn, and they have very, very beautiful details. If you look at that one right there, the story is told in English and Samoan, so this makes it easy for English speakers to learn Samoan and for Samoan speakers to learn English. It's a picture book, so it's suitable for younger children. It's a picture book, so it's suitable for younger children as well as older ones. This does not mean that it is not suitable for adults. It is very suitable for adults, especially if we're trying to learn the Samoan language. And by learning our legends of Samoa makes it even more precious for us as adults to learn. I love this book. It is cute, it is simple, it is easy to read. Illustrations are very beautiful, and it is not one of the books that you will find that is written by a palaki and then they're trying to... I am very, very much in support of this book, and I believe it's great value for all ages, whether you're preschool up until adult. The fact that it has both English and Samoan languages with it makes it that much more valuable. And so I would rate this book as a 10 out of 10. And I have a link below in the description for a digital download so that you can read it straight away. It comes directly to your email address, to your Kindle app, so that you can read it right away and you won't have to wait for the delivery of a book. This is also great because you can take it anywhere with you. So if you have to travel, know that you have a book that you can read with you wherever you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have a book that you would like us to review, please leave the name in the comments so that we can read it and so that we can review it for you. We'd also like to do other reviews for other businesses, so if you have a business or a product that you'd like us to review, again, the only requirement is that it needs to be Samoan. Leave that in the comments below. And yes, if you're really enjoying our channel, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so that you're notified when new videos come up. Thank you again. Whawhataitele lava. Manuia laso.